Look at this painting. What do you think? It's a very typical example of the Annunciation, where the angel Gabriel comes to Mary and tells her that she's going to conceive and be the mother of Christ. Let's look at some other examples of the Annunciation. Here are two that were painted earlier, the 14th century, by Duccio and an unknown painter in the bottom right, and another example by Martini, top right, and by Van der Velden on the bottom left. Returning to the fresco by Fra Angelico, I think you'll agree that there's something very simple but also very beautiful and serene that possibly is lacking in the more fussy examples by those other artists. Look at the way Gabriel is looking up almost questioningly at Mary, who does look pretty shocked, I think, by the news. Also look at the mirror image of their crossed hands. And behind Mary, there's a room with a window, and it all looks very plain. And it is plain because it's actually the monastery of San Marco, and it's a fresco painted for the monks, and it is actually at the top of the stairs, so that when they had their meal and they were going back to their cells, they would walk up the stairs and look at this painting. And the perspective is exactly that. It's to be looked up at. You can hold your mobile or tablet above your head, look up at it. It's quite an interesting experiment, and see how the perspective works. Finally, just look at the bottom of the fresco. There's some text in Latin which says, when you come before the image of the ever Virgin, take care that you do not neglect to say an Ave. The monks going up the stairs, returning to their very Spartan cells, and a message to say not to forget to say the prayer.